Hey there, folks! Welcome back to Product Critique, the channel where we dive deep into the latest tech to give you the real scoop. Today, we've got something exciting to talk about: the Denon Perl Pro True Wireless Earbuds. Now, these bad boys promise to deliver top-notch sound quality, but do they live up to the hype? Let's find out. First off, let's talk about design. The Perl Pro earbuds come in a sleek, minimalist package. The wide disc-based touch surface gives them a unique look, and the polished silver accents add a touch of premium flair. However, I have to admit, I did encounter some issues with the fit. Despite trying different ear tip sizes, I found that they didn't stay in place as well as I'd hoped, which can be a bit frustrating. But enough about looks. Let's get into the nitty-gritty of what these earbuds can do. The Perl Pro come packed with features like adaptive ANC, direct spatial audio, and support for aptX lossless audio. Now, while these sound impressive on paper, in practice, I found that the noise cancellation was a bit lackluster, especially compared to competitors like Sony and Bose. On the bright side, the touch controls are responsive and intuitive to use. And the Denon Headphones app offers plenty of customization options to tailor your listening experience to your liking. But let's talk about what really matters: sound quality. And I have to say, the Perl Pro deliver in spades in this department. The audio is crisp, clear, and articulate, with a punchy bass that gives music a solid foundation to build on. Plus, the direct spatial audio adds a subtle but noticeable enhancement to the soundstage, making for an immersive listening experience. So, what's the final verdict? Well, the Denon Perl Pro earbuds certainly have a lot going for them, from their stylish design to their impressive sound quality. However, the fit issues and average noise cancellation hold them back from being a true standout in the crowded true wireless earbud market. That's it for today's review. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Product Critique for more honest reviews of the latest tech. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy listening.